Marchetti 58 Yankee Foxtrot, San Luis Tower, runway 29 clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff by the Yankee Fox.
And tower behind the Marchetti is 241 Delta Bravo. Legacy is going to be left downwind 2.
Legacy 241 Delta Bravo, San Luis Tower, hold short, runway 29.
Hold short, 29, 241, 310.
And 5 Yankee Fox, can I get an early turn by chance?
2440 Juliet, ready for takeoff on 29 for a right crosswind departure.
Cessna 2440 Juliet, San Luis Tower, hold short, runway 29, number 2 in sequence.
Number 2 in sequence, 2440 Juliet.
Yankee Fox, can I get an early turn?
Marchetti 8 Yankee Foxtrot, early turn not approved.
Sure.
Marchetti 8 Yankee Foxtrot, traffic 3 o'clock, 4 miles, eastbound 3000 is an Embraer jet inbound for runway 29er. I need you to clear that traffic.
Got him in sight. Would you like me to cross the center line, sir? I can jump on the other side and get out of his way.
Aircraft calling for taxi, standby. Aircraft in the air, say again.
Yeah, 5 Yankee Fox, I'm going to jump the center line and I'll get out of his way. Give me a left 90-degree turn, I'll be out of his way.
5 Yankee Foxtrot, roger. Left 90-degree turn is approved.
Yes, sir.
That was 3417 traffic, 9 o'clock, 3 miles. Turning northeastbound is a Marchetti 1400, no factor.
Roger, Sky 3417.
3417, runway 29, clear to land.
29, clear to land, Sky 3417.
Marchetti 8 Yankee Foxtrot, what are you doing? Marchetti 8 Yankee Foxtrot, traffic alerts. 2 o'clock, 2 miles, northbound, Embraer jet, 3,000 feet. Turn northbound immediately. That was 3417, traffic alert. 10, 11 o'clock, moving to your 12 o'clock. Marchetti climbing out at 2,000 feet.
Yeah, we're looking, Sky 3417.
He's not doing what I told him to do. Marchetti 8 Yankee Foxtrot, San Luis Tower.
Yeah, I got him inside. He's not a factor.
How is he not a factor? He's turning inbound to San Luis Obispo. He's just sending out at 2,700. That's a factor.
Well, sir, I crossed the center line like you told me, 90-degree turn, and he's now turning inside me.
Now, I show you 1 mile south of the center line.
Okay.
Marchetti 8 Yankee Foxtrot, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Yeah.
3417, sorry about that. Runway 29 clear to land.
29, clear to land, Sky 3417.
San Luis Tower, Cessna 4963 Golf.
It's a 4963 Golf, San Luis Tower, squawk 0157.
0157, 63 Golf.
It's a 4963 Golf, traffic alert, 12 o'clock, 2 miles opposite direction, Marchetti 2100.
Looking 563 Golf.
Marchetti 8 Yankee Foxtrot, restored my frequency, additional traffic, 12 o'clock, 1 mile opposite direction, Cessna descending on to 2400. That's 63 Golf, do you have the traffic in sight yet?
Negative.
63 Golf, roger, I recommend a 20-degree turn to the left.
20 left, 63 Golf.
63 Golf, traffic no factor now. Make a straight in for runway 29 or report 4 mile final.
I'll report 4 mile final straight in for 29er, 63 Golf.